As promised, I want to show you how the vertical iPad view version looks like, and we will just flip a few pages for you to see around. And we have the same right side navigation, the calendar with hyperlinks, and let's click on the monthly tabs. Here we go, the monthly page. Let's go to a week. There you go. You can also switch weeks with the previous and next buttons on top left. Let's see, just like that. And now let's go to a day. Here you go. You can also switch between journaling and meetings for the day by clicking these links here, as I previously showed. Same day, but a different purpose for the page. And again, go back to the monthly plan, to the daily plan by clicking the title. And here you go. Back to the weekly view by clicking the button on this button here on the top right side. And here you go. So basically it's the same content. It's just the design is created so it fits best on your iPad if you're using the vertical iPad on your daily work. Here you go. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and leave your comment in the comment section below. If you're looking for a digital planner for your iPad, go to my Etsy store, thefeathersinc.etsy.com.